Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your machine meets minimum specs and you have a Google account ready. Once done, download the Google Earth Pro installer that matches your operating system. This is the first actionable step. You do this to avoid mid-install failures and to speed up the process. If you're on a work machine, make sure you have admin rights, otherwise pause and request them now. This prevents permission errors during installation and ensures the program can write necessary files. You run the installer with elevated privileges and accept the license terms. Doing this prevents permission prompts later. During installation, choose the default or a custom location if you manage disk layout. Once the files copy, launch Google Earth Pro and sign in with your Google account to unlock Pro functions. Signing in ties preferences and allows import/export features. If prompted for a license code, enter the account details. Pro is free, but activation verifies your user status and synchronizes settings. You finalize configuration by adjusting preferences. Increase cache for smoother imagery, set high-resolution rendering if needed, and configure KML import defaults so your data loads correctly. Once configured, import a sample KML or KMZ to confirm layers and projections display as expected. If the app crashes or imagery is blank, clear the cache and restart. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and that hardware acceleration is enabled. If problems persist, run the installer repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.